Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix a Frigidaire dishwasher stuck on delay start. Clear delay, reset and a start fix. The fixed one, you can cancel the delay start. Press the cancel button on the control panel. Hold it for around 3 to 5 seconds. Then wait for the dishwasher to drain and turn off and start a new wash cycle normally. Fix 2, you can turn off delay option menu. So look for the delay start button. Press it repeatedly until the delay time shows 0 or turn off. Then press start to begin the cycle. The fix 3, you can reset the dishwasher. So turn off the dishwasher, unplug it from the power outlet or switch off the breaker. Then wait for around 5 minutes and plug it back in and turn it on. Then try starting a new cycle again. The fix 4, you can check for control lock. If the control lock tighten is on, press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds. Once unlocked, try starting the dishwasher again. Goodbye.